You're looking at a leaked email from Elon Musk to Tesla employees. It reads in part, quote, "As we become a profitable company, we will be able to afford more and more fun things. There will be little things like free frozen yogurt stands scattered around the factory, and my personal favorite, a Tesla electric pod car roller coaster with an optional loop-the-loop route, of course, that will allow fast and fun travel throughout our Fremont campus, dipping in and out of the factory and connecting all the parking lots. It's going to get crazy good." Hey guys, Kim Java here, and today we're going to have a little fun and share with you a story I came across that'll put your imagination into ludicrous mode. So these renderings came to us from Lease Fetcher, a UK-based car leasing website who actually built out the idea with their own version of what they call Cyberland, a Tesla theme park that would actually include other rides based on Elon Musk's countless side hustles. Okay, so you might be surprised to learn there are plenty of car-branded theme parks around the world, and they're pretty successful too because the loyal following of those brands actually flock to these parks by millions per year. So there's Ferrari Land in Spain and Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi, and then there's VW Auto Stadt in Germany and Toyota Mega Web in Tokyo. There's even other wild theme parks with huge followings like Super Nintendo World, also in Japan. And did you know there was once even plans to bring a blockbuster theme park to Florida in the 1990s? Maybe we should call it Netflix Park now? And when it comes to auto-branded theme parks, Tesla may very well take the cake as far as the internet is concerned. Take a look at this. Tesla is the most followed car brand on social media. They have 10 million followers on Twitter, and do you know who's second? Mercedes with just 3.6 million, then BMW with 2.2 million, followed by Porsche with 1.9 million followers. You can take all of these automakers on social media and combine them together, plus the next highest, which is Ford, and you'll still fall short of the interest the average person has with the Tesla brand. Musk, of course, has one of the largest brands in the world in himself on Twitter at over 55 million followers. He's actually creeping up on passing Twitter's Twitter account followers soon. So it goes without saying, interest in him and his products are undeniable. But before I dive in, I wanted to thank the Ridge Wallet for sponsoring this video. If you've been with us long enough, you know that we are huge fans of the Ridge Wallet. These are actually my husband's wallets, and we love them because they can hold up to 12 cards plus cash, and they offer over 30 colors and styles like this carbon fiber and burnt titanium. I wanted to share this with you because Father's Day is coming up, and I think that these make great gifts. You can even try them out for 45 days, and if you're not happy, send it back for a full refund. Check out ridge.com/KimJava and enter code KimJava for 10% off. So with all that aside, when it comes to what the folks who proposed Cyberland, a closer look shows you how wild and possibly wildly successful a theme park like this would be, with so many aspects of Tesla and Musk's business venture touches. In fact, Susan Vaness at Attractions magazine claims the park could be, quote, a mega hit with Tesla fanboys and all those crazy Musk mania zealots out there. Theme park insider Robert Niles also says with Elon's serial entrepreneurship and endless side hustles, maybe the idea of Musk getting into the theme park business isn't all that fantastic after all. So check this out. The wide view on this proposed theme park rendering shows you the park being surrounded by Hyperloop train service, which would drop you off at various Tesla, SpaceX, and Boring Company theme rides. You enter through a giant supercharger stall entryway, and you'll notice the Cybertruck themed bumper car rides on the left, along with small Cyberlander shop. There's also the Tesla self-driving school tracks, and continue left along and you'll notice the Tesla semi food trucks. I mean, the renderings are just so well thought out, with the Model X flying car swing ride. Not far away, you'll also find the underground tunnel roller coaster. Then there's the Hyperloop motion simulator, followed by a Roadster SpaceX package slingshot ride. There's even a Mars playground for the kids and a Tesla logo amphitheater in the center of the park. You'll also notice the rendering is actually placed in a desert location, and in this case adjacent to what they've labeled as the Tesla Gigafactory, which would place it all in Nevada. Of course, this is all fun and games, but kind of gives you an idea how fun and unique something like this would and could be. And I really want to go, so please make it happen. This would obviously be electric anyways, and Tesla could really have fun with the solar farm nearby to power the entire theme park. You might know Disney in Orlando has a huge Mickey Mouse shaped solar farm nearby, which offsets its energy use already. Okay, I know what some of you guys are probably thinking, that Elon and his team at Tesla have much more important things to deal with right now than design and run a theme park. But realistically, there would be little to no need for Elon or his team, since the designs are all that would be needed for the theme park management group to take the idea and run with it. Given the incredible interest in the Tesla brand, not only in the US, but also around the world, and the endless supply of fun and unique themes one could think of when it comes to Elon and Tesla ventures, this would be an awesome experience, even if not now, but maybe in 10 years from now. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about all this. Would you go to Cyberland? I know I definitely would. When I showed these pictures to my kids, they were super excited and asked if we could go now. So let me know what you guys think. And if you're not already following me on social media, make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and we can connect there and have some more conversations. Also, if you like my shirt, they come available for the entire family, so you guys can all practice learning your shapes with the circle, square, and of course the new shape, the Cybertruck. And until next time, we'll see you later.